It's the bird cafe. It's called Kotori Cafe. There are birds everywhere. This is the menu. Ross saw me walk in. Look at all the guys, they're so cute. All right, so we also get to see the birds, and here are the rules. Will you hold the camera while I read them?
Absolutely.
Okay, so the rules for the birds is in our cafe, you can touch the tame birds. It costs 540 yen in 5 minutes. Up to 3 people can enjoy this at the same time. First, you have to choose 1 or 2 birds in the room, then you can play with the birds. We cannot put some of our birds out from the cages at the same time because they're probably mad at each other. You can take pictures, but do not use flash. We do not take any responsibility in dirt or damage of clothing, as in poopies. And all customers and relatives, please follow the directions of staff in the room. And we're number 1. So we can go in, before we have our snacks, we can go in and enjoy the birds in the room, and then we can play with them, and then we get to have our bird-themed snacks. Do you want to enjoy the birds first? Look at the back of this. Oh!
Much more open to it than
No, it's little scritching. Scritch, scritch. So cute. Oh, jeez. And he's down here, he says, you didn't pick me. Ooh. Can I take a selfie? Come on. Come on. So this is called Kotori, which Ross just looked up, and it means small bird cafe. And I'm gonna try this budgie. Ah, the humanity. Said he was like soy milk flavored. The humanity.
She just destroyed the other one, which was a
It was a cocktail. It was good. It was good. I'm vegetarian though. I'm sorry, budgies. That budgie's like, why'd you eat me? Why'd you eat me?
Arigato. Arigato. Oh, rainbow larky.